Hi, my name is Christine Collier-Hager. I've been working for IKEA since 1999. My current role is team lead in goods flow in the logistics department. I actually started in the logistics department part-time. Very quickly was able to take on a leadership role. It didn't matter how long you've been here, it's not about seniority. So I came in, I fit in with the team. The current manager at the time went on maternity leave, so I became the assistant manager quite quickly for the replenishment department. Over the years, I've held quite a few different roles, most of them in logistics, but I did do some in sales as well. I've been sales space specialist for logistics. I've been assistant manager in green room. I've been assistant manager in self-serve. Then I was promoted to manager of textiles. The good thing about IKEA is that when things are happening in your personal life, you're able to make adjustments in your journey. I had my second baby, my father passed away, I was diagnosed with melanoma. So during the times in my life where I needed to focus on my life, I was able to step back and take on different roles. That's been a really great thing about working for this company. You're able to step back and then step up again when you're ready. I'm now back into a leadership role in the management position with the logistics department. I contribute to the success of IKEA by putting the right product in the right place in the right amount with my team members. I also spread my knowledge and coach the people that I work with so that we're a high-performing team. What I love most about my job is the people. We work crazy hours in this department, starting at 2 o'clock in the morning, 3 o'clock in the morning. To get out of bed and come to work, it's got to be fun and fulfilling. Because we have to have our job done by 10 o'clock, by the time the store opens so that it's ready for the customer, it's like, check, I accomplished something today. To come to work every day, what keeps me here, part of it is the benefits, the job itself being different every day, knowing that there's RSP contributions, bonus structure. There's a lot of really good reasons to work here. Advice that I would give to someone who's looking to apply to IKEA is go for it. Get your foot in the door, the sky's the limit. You can go wherever you want to go, you can succeed.